The culminating work of your graduate studies is an opportunity for you to highlight your area of expertise and research interests. Depending on your area of study and whether you are a master's or doctoral graduate student, there are a variety of ways to complete your final research project. The most common culminating work in graduate school is known as a thesis or the dissertation. Both require original research and must adhere to protocol outlined by the Office of Research Integrity. Once a thesis or dissertation is complete, it is submitted to the Graduate College, submitted to authenticate, and then published in ProQuest. All theses and dissertations must adhere to the formatting guidelines established by the Graduate College. This video series is designed to walk you through key formatting guidelines your final document must observe.